In just a matter of hours, cryptos are about to make a massive move. And in this video, especially for XRP, I'm going to be sharing with you my thoughts on what is most likely in the immediate short term. It's going to get absolutely crazy. Bitcoin is on the very edge and precipice of a breakout right now. It's breaking out right now. And if it continues to happen, Bitcoin is going to see all-time highs, and altcoins, including XRP, are going to make an incredible move that you cannot miss. So make sure you guys stick around to the end of this video and that you give it a thumbs up to this video if you guys love XRP and cryptos. I have some breaking news if you hold XRP. Look, the SEC has delayed the Dogecoin, Solana, XRP ETFs. But when is it going to be approved? The XRP ETF is now delayed. But guess what? The Bitcoin ETF was delayed before it got approved. The Ethereum ETF was delayed before it got approved. That is actually bullish. It just means that they are preparing the necessary documents. It's just a court thing. You know, they're pushing it back. They're just making sure they have everything ready. So that's going to happen. That means that they're going to push it back a little bit further, which is very, very good because the market is very high right now. It's overextended in my opinion. Crypto prices are very high, especially Bitcoin. Bitcoin still hasn't broke down. It's actually attempting to break out right now. And, you know, if we zoom out, we can see Bitcoin has pumped pretty vigorously over the past month or so. And when this happens, we want to wait for a pullback before we get back in the market. Especially it's sell in May, walk away. We are now in May, almost the end of May. It's summer months. Volume starts to die down in the summer. It always happens, always will. And that's when things get a little choppy and are easily able to be manipulated. So I do think we are going to get a pullback soon, within the next couple of weeks. And that's going to be the opportunity to buy XRP and other altcoins before this ETF gets approved. But we need to talk about Bitcoin because it is about to break out. But make sure you guys are in the Patreon because we longed Bitcoin at $74,000. We also bought Bitcoin there, and we also bought XRP and other cryptos at the very bottom. Some of them did a 3x, some of them pumped 60%. We bought Ethereum. I mean, we made a lot of money these past couple of weeks, and we've been crushing the market. So make sure you join the Patreon so you could follow all of my exact trade alerts and my daily constant market updates and ideas to let you guys know any trading opportunity that may present itself at any time. So Bitcoin right now, ladies and gentlemen, is on the very edge and precipice of a breakout. We are in this range where we are bouncing back and forth. There is no breakout. We're not breaking out to the downside. We're not breaking out to the upside. Michael Saylor is holding up Bitcoin. He keeps buying it. That's why it's not breaking down. And that's why Ethereum and other coins have corrected pretty severely, including XRP. Buy zone for XRP. This gray box, we finally hit it. This was the area that I was looking to buy XRP after taking profits with the group. But if Bitcoin pulls back and corrects here, we could go lower with XRP. Where we could potentially go to, ladies and gentlemen, is that is something I'm going to be really interested is, let me go ahead and remove this. Let me remove this. Is Bitcoin's probably going to be XRP is probably going to be breaking into this region around $2 to $1.84. This is the area that I'm going to be looking to buy XRP. If Bitcoin corrects and pulls back to 97, 94, 91, something like that, if that happens, XRP will probably see this level. And that's where I will be putting lots of money on XRP. I sold XRP, I bought it at the bottom, and I sold around 224. And some other Patreon members, they continued to hold into the very top, and they sold at our price target, which I gave months ago at 260. I ended up hitting close to 270. So congrats if you took that trade. But right now I am in cash. I'm personally shorting Bitcoin. I have some shorts on Ethereum. Those are my trades, small trades compared to my cash position. So nothing crazy. But I think that XRP is going to hit this if Bitcoin does end up correcting. So Bitcoin right now is attempting to break out. It is trying to break out, but we're not getting any follow through right now because we are in the summer months. Bitcoin has pushed up really aggressively already, and it's holding up. It's still holding up though. So if the stock market starts to roll over, which it has pumped up massively as well, if it starts to roll over, cryptos might roll over the next couple of weeks. We're probably going to get that summer correction, that pullback. It's not going to be anything crazy, but if we get it, that's going to be a buying opportunity for altcoins, which are already down, some of them 20, 30, 40, and even 50% since Bitcoin is still consolidating in this range. And that's why I'm being very, very cautious, because Bitcoin is not breaking out. It's attempting to break out, but keeps dumping every single attempt. And that for me is bearish. The volume is dying down. Altcoins are moving lower. All of the things that I'm looking at hints towards, okay, this trend is getting exhausted. It's a good time to take profits. And yes, we can squeeze up. Bitcoin could pump up, take out the all-time high, and then we finally get a pullback. That's a possible scenario. That's something that could be happening. But what I'm personally doing, no matter what, whether we pump up a little bit further, this is not a place where I want to be buying. No, if Bitcoin pulls back, altcoins are going to pull back a lot more aggressively than they already have. And even hasn't even really pulled back, it's just still holding. So if altcoins are dumping 20, 30% while Bitcoin is still holding, what's going to happen if Bitcoin pulls back to 99K, which is literally nothing? It's just one candle. Bitcoin can go to 99K all the way right here. One small pullback, one red day, Bitcoin can go there. And that would not even be anything crazy. It's like a 5-6% move. That's nothing. Bitcoin corrects 20 and 30% a lot of times before it creates a bottom and goes up higher. But I'm expecting Bitcoin to pull back somewhere in this region here. And that's where I want to buy altcoins. And I'm going to be letting you know in the Patreon when I'm exactly doing that, but also on my videos. So make sure you guys are subscribed with notifications on, and make sure that you guys are using my ALGOSNIPER trading indicator, which gave you a buy alert at the very bottom for Bitcoin and cryptos and has kept you in the trade. So the daily trend on ALGOSNIPER is still very bullish. You guys can try this thing today for $1 at algosniper.com. And if you guys are going to be trading, make sure you guys are trading over on Blowfin. This is the platform where you can long and short cryptos up to 150x leverage. This platform, you can get up to a $10,000 deposit bonus if you sign up using my link below, but you're going to have the cheapest fees on the internet, period. If you guys get something out of this video, please consider giving this video a thumbs up, subscribing with notifications on, and I will see you later.